We're going to be giving away $30,000 worth of credits to start your business right now. I'm talking about our brand new hackathon. It's called Doc versus the World. So what is this competition? This is a 72-hour hackathon that allows you to build a voice experience using the platform TrueReply. This platform allows you to use the power of no code to rapidly create powerful voice experiences for your audience. Who is this competition for? If you're an agency owner or a solo entrepreneur, or you're just trying to stand out in your industry and you need to have proof of concept, you want to show that what you can do with your skills, this competition is for you. If I'm trying to get a job, instead of just getting a resume, you can have proof, your body of work. You can be in this competition and show what you can really do. Create a voice experience, and then you can start cornering the market to be that developer in demand. What about a solo entrepreneur? If you're struggling to see what kind of tech you need to use or different platforms to use, if you enter this competition, now you have the chance to start, not to start, but scale your business by having over $30,000 of credits to use TrueReply to get your business started. You can enter this hackathon in two different ways. Number one, we're taking applications for 5 spots that TrueReply will sponsor you to use this platform. That's right. It starts at over $200 a month. You get full access to this platform during the event. So they're going to be picking 5 different candidates to get that absolutely free to get started in this competition. Number 2, if you are not selected out of the top 5, you can also enter it by using the link down below to get access to the platform for this hackathon. Now, here's some details about entering. You're going to make a social media post and let us know what you're trying to build. Either say Doc versus the World, use that hashtag. Let us know what you're trying to build, why you want to enter, and then we'll be getting back to you very quickly. Now, let's talk about this prize for a second. You said $30,000 at the beginning. What is this $30,000? TrueReply is sponsoring this hackathon and giving the winner of this competition 2 years at the agency level. So all that time when you might say, well, if only I had money, or maybe one day I'll do that. No. This is the hackathon for you. Now you have everything that you need. But wait a minute, why is this called Doc versus the World? What is this all about? This is a 72-hour competition. But if I don't see people really working hard, or I think that I can do better, after 24 hours, I'm going to enter the competition. That's right. For the last 2 days of the competition, I'm going to see if I can beat your ideas, because I want that money. I want to see if I can win that prize. I'll make a business and then sell it back to the audience. That's right. That's why I'm putting a little heat on the audience, a little bit of heat on the contestants. But remember, you get a 24-hour head start before I enter the competition. And by the way, we checked with our sponsor. We're allowed to do this. I'm allowed to do this. Yeah, I'm not just throwing this in. I asked before. I'm coming after you. So can't wait for the competition. Now, remember, if you're interested, you can either, in the comments section down below, let me know that you're interested in this. You're going to make a social media post and let us know what you're going to be, what you're planning. Now, if you're on Instagram, Twitter, it doesn't matter, Reddit, it doesn't matter, Quora, make the post, tag me in it, and let me know so I can see it, and then you're entered. So if you want to be in the top 5 where TrueReply is going to be paying for your entry, or if you want to enter, let us know what you want to do. And if you have any questions in the section down below, let me know. Can't wait. We're starting in just a couple of days. So let's begin.